And here she is, the new beast of a greenhouse heater that I've bought. She's flued in now, goes out with a insulated flue through the roof. It's a bit of a mixed job, but it's done. So yeah, I thought I'd do a little bit of a review on it. It's awesome. Yeah, it's got built-in thermostat. It's got a connector there for an external thermostat, which I'm waiting for, so I can put an extension to the middle of the greenhouse so it monitors the temperature a little bit better. The built-in one's not particularly accurate. It's set at 15 and it keeps the greenhouse at 10 degrees, so it's about 5 degrees off on the chilly nights. Yeah, I mean it's set at 15 now. If I turn it on to 18, it takes about 3 minutes. It's pretty loud. I'll turn it on for you. It's pretty loud, but yeah, it takes about two and a half minutes to heat the greenhouse. So it's, I mean, the greenhouse isn't small by any means. I mean, it's 16 foot high, 20 foot long and 10 foot wide, so it's quite a lot of space to heat. Yeah, I'll turn it on for you and you can see it going. So what I'll do is I'll set it to 18. There we go. Oh, and of course the misting system's gone off at exactly the same time, so I'll turn it off for a second. Because it takes 90 seconds to turn off, just so it doesn't overheat. It's a misting system. It had to go off directly the second there we go, it's off. Oh well, at least you can see my plants and the fogging system going off. There's my orchids hanging up, my nepenthes and stuff this side. I've got my helianthera, utricularia and stuff up this side. I've got my seeds at the end on my nepenthe seed. Give it a sec, it won't take long, it'll be going off in a second now. Only goes off for about a minute. Finally, right, we can get back to what we were on about. Sorry about that. Right, if I set it to 18, oh sorry, 19 now. There we go. You let it kick in. There we go, the burners are on. All the heat comes out of the front. And all the fumes go up there, out the chimney. So, I mean, it's boiling hot already. You put your hand in front of it, it's really hot. Doesn't take long to heat up. And yeah, I can feel the heat already. It's warmed it up by about 2 degrees already. But the thermostat inside it doesn't actually pick it up as quick as that. That's why I need the external thermostat. But I monitor everything with my sensor push, which is hanging up there anyway. So yeah, I mean the greenhouse is boiling now already. It's not going to take long, a minute or so now, and it'll turn off. Because I mean it is roasting hot in here already. Really warm air coming out. Yeah, very hot. There we are, it's on 19 degrees now, and it takes 90 seconds to, oh no, sorry, it needs to go to 20 now, and then it takes 90 seconds of afterburn to cool the machine down so it doesn't overheat, which I think is a good idea, because you don't want anything overheating in the greenhouse. It's you don't want to ruin the machine. But yeah, I mean, I wish you could feel the temperature in here now. It's jumped from about, what was it, 17 degrees to 21, 22 easily. So yeah, it's fantastic. It doesn't take long at all. It's just the thermostat on the machine isn't very accurate. I will point that out, because it's something I'm not happy. There we go, it's hit 20 degrees now. 90 seconds of the fan going, and it cools the machine down, and then it'll switch itself off. But yeah, it's roasting in here, it really is. After what, 2 minutes? Oh, and the misting system's just gone off again, as it would with the heaters being on. But yeah, I think it's brilliant. If you can get one for your greenhouse, it's an indirect fuel powered heater. They're not cheap. Sorry about that, the video turned off. But yeah, it's still going, 90 seconds, turn itself off. There we go, it's turned itself off now. And it's jumped up to 22 degrees, according to the thermostat on it. So yeah, the thermostat is shit. But if you figure it out, which I've had to, but I mean, it uses flipping nothing in fuel. I mean, it's been going for 3 nights now, and it hasn't used anything. I'll show you in a sec when the misting system stops. Sorry, it's a tropical greenhouse, so the misting system has to go off. But it's good, it's nice to watch, and it's nice and cooling. Yeah, it's jumped up to 23 degrees now. Yeah, it really does heat the greenhouse quick, considering the size in the greenhouse. Oh, we'll have a quick look at the plants while the misting system's going off then, is it? Oh, my little tentaculata beer, look. It's growing well. My Raja. My Gymnophora's got a new leaf coming out on it. Yeah, new picture on my Spatulata Hermata. Things are growing awesome. Oh, I wish this misting system had hurry up and go off. Oh, but yeah. Anyway, back to the heater. It sends all the fumes up to the chimney. Heat comes out the front. It's called a Trotec IDE30. There you can see the fuel filter, what it's capable of. It's a 30 kilowatt heater. I know it sounds a lot, but it really is overkill for the greenhouse. But I mean, when you see how much fuel it's using, it makes it worth it. It really is. Once the misting system goes off now, I'll show you inside the fuel tank. It'll go off any second now. There we go, it's turned off. Thank God for that. 1 second for the mist to clear. But yeah, it's overkill, but it really is an awesome heater. I mean, I can extend my greenhouse now to 20 by 20 and have no worries about heating the greenhouse, because like I said, it's been on now solid for 3 nights now, on and off, on and off, on and off, about 20 times a night. And if you look inside the fuel tank, the fuel is still there. I mean, that's how high I filled it. I filled it to that level, and I mean, in 3 nights it's probably used, what, 2 litres of fuel? Which is, I mean, that's unbelievable. About, yeah, roughly about 2 litres of fuel it's used in 3 nights. Which I think is fantastic. Maybe 3 litres. So, I mean, it's overkill, but I mean, it's using bugger all. I mean, if it costs me 70 pence a litre for diesel on the farm, yeah, I'm on a winner. So anyway, thank you very much. I'll put this on my YouTube channel, and of course, like and subscribe. And yeah, it's called the Trotec IDE30. So yeah, thank you very much. Ta-da.